everybody. For today's main math lesson, we are going to talk about one-to-one correspondence. So, the best way to show one-to-one correspondence, in my opinion, is to pretend we're going fishing. Now, I'm going fishing in maybe like one of those little tanks or little ponds where the fish are pre-stocked and you throw them back and the fish are just there to have fun and be caught and then tossed back. So I know there are a total of 9 fish in this tank that I am going to fish into. So in order to catch all of the fish, I need to be sure that I have enough hooks. So I'm going to draw a fishing hook down to each fish to be sure I have enough. First, let's count how many fish. Let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 fish. All right. Now let's draw a fishing hook to each fish. Oops, you know what? That's a little sloppy. We're going to fix that. Let's see, Mrs. Schnabel can fix that. Let's see. Let's use this marker. Let's draw a fishing hook from each fish up. Okay, there's one that goes with that fish. One that goes with that fish. One that goes with that fish. One hook that goes with that fish. A 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 hook that goes with that fish. And a hook that goes with that fish. Okay, so we know that we have a total of 9 fish in the little tank that I am fishing from. And I was wondering how many hooks I'm going to need to catch all the fish. So I've got my hook and, of course, my little line. So how many hooks do you think, or hooks and lines, do you think I needed to catch all the fish? What do you think? Well, let's see how many. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So if you notice, there were 9 fish, and then there were also 9 hooks. So for every 1 fish, there was 1 hook. So that is called one-to-one correspondence. And we can do that with pictures. We can do that with numbers, being the pictures and the actual number. We can do that with the word and the number. There's lots of ways that we could do one-to-one correspondence, and I'm going to show you a few. This is our most basic one for us to get the idea. Let's look on this page. So let's say I have 4 circles, and I need a number to match up to that. So I would write the number 4. Let's say I have the word 10. Well, I need the number to correspond to that to be the same, so I'm going to maybe write the number 10. Let's see, what if I do 3 circles, and it corresponds with the word 3. So these are some ways that you will see one-to-one correspondence. But the most important thing is that the objects or what you are looking at match up. 4 and 4, they match up. 10 and 10 match up. 3 and 3 match up. A lot of it just has to do with counting. So if you're able to count, you can do one to one correspondence. Good job.